So we're just waiting for an Uber to get to Animal Kingdom Lodge to have breakfast at Boma. Dad did a 10k this morning and I joined him for just like one loop, like 2 kilometers. And then got back and had a shower, washed my hair and booked. We paid for flight of passage, which we didn't really want to do, but we really wanted to get it done on the first day. And obviously we're going to breakfast at 20 to 9. Pretty sure the park opens at 7 for people that live in people that are staying in Disney hotels. So there was no way we would have got it. We would have had to queue for like 3 or 4 hours. So we paid to get Lightning Lane and we've got that between 11:40 and 12:40. But it is freezing today, and it feels like a normal cold England morning, like very cold. The tree is incredible, that. So they've got cream tomato stew, some okra asparagus and tomatoes, turkey for roasted African, and they're doing some ham. No thank you. Some coconut. You want some oatmeal? Some oatmeal. Sausages. And you've got some kind of English breakfasty things like sausages, they have some potato tops, sweet plantains, which I'll definitely have to try. Pancakes and Mickey waffles. They have scrambled eggs, omelette, cheese on there, bacon, some avocado papaya and fruit salad, some parfaits, deviled eggs and meats and cheeses, and then a selection of some yummy looking pastries. That looks good, Hudson. Ooh, those sticky buns. And French toast bread pudding, how incredible. What am I gonna get?
I'm gonna come for sweets up.
Yeah, same. And some cinnamon rolls. And some bagels and toppings. But no smoked salmon or anything. So I got a melon salad with guacamole, which will be interesting. Then I got some cheeses and some meats under there. And I got deviled eggs. That's what I've been most excited to try. I hope I like them. And I got scrambled egg with goat's cheese and chives, some ham and some African something. It was the first thing that showed. And then some plantains and some bacon and then coconut oatmeal. We got a huge pot of coffee as well, and you get jungle juice, which is mango, guava and papaya juice?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Yeah, and I got some more ham because that was so good. And then I'll go and get some sweet bits in a second. Mum said what is it?
It's just called a sticky bun.
But it's like pecans and like toffee and stuff. Apparently that's incredible, so I'll definitely be trying some of that. So I got the banana bread pudding, the sticky bun, a cinnamon swirl bun, and then some fruit. to try and balance it a little bit. Yeah. Some fun. Some really fun. Oh, I do love that fluffy, dreamy hoodie. Very cute. I think I'd get it oversized if I were to get it, which I might. The breakfast at Boma was so good. I'm so glad that I decided to take us there. It was so yummy and like a really good range. Like it wasn't just like American breakfast. Obviously it had like the African bits as well. It's definitely worth it.